Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix DoorDash not placing an order. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to place a food order with DoorDash, but for some reason it's not working. Well, I recently ran into this issue, and here's how I fixed it. So first things first, you want to make sure that you check your internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, just because a weak connection is one of the most common reasons why orders don't follow through. The next thing that you can do is that if you go ahead and open up the DoorDash app and then swipe up again so you close the window, what you've done is just a forced close and restart of the app. So go ahead and relaunch the DoorDash app again and see if you can place an order that way. Now, if you still can't place an order, let's go ahead and make sure that we're up to date with the latest version. So we're going to go into the App Store. Then we're going to search up DoorDash. And then as you can see here, next to the DoorDash app, it says update. That means that there's an update available for my DoorDash app. So you want to make sure that you update to the latest version and then relaunch the app. Now, if that still continues to not work and not letting you place an order, you can actually go ahead and delete the app and reinstall the app. It's a bit inconvenient, but sometimes that works too. Now, if all that fails, the last thing you want to make sure is that sometimes the reason why you won't be able to place an order is because the restaurant is closed or unavailable. So sometimes the issue isn't with the app, but it's with the restaurant. So try ordering from a different place and also check to make sure that the restaurant you're trying to order from is actually open. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix this issue. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually fix this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. As a last resort also, try using the website. The website functions the same exact way as the DoorDash app. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.